Use the power of your imagination to get your ex back. Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for joining me at Love Advice TV. What if I told you that you can literally pretend your ex loves you or doesn't, or that he misses you and wants to come back or doesn't? You get to choose it all. You get to use the power of your mind. Feed your mind with positive thoughts, and your energy frequency rises. It's a fundamental teaching of the law of attraction. It's also very parallel to what we teach with my ex again. We need to always think positive thoughts. We need to raise ourselves and able to showcase our strengths. It's not about trying to only get our exes back. It's about becoming the best version of ourselves and through it showcase our strengths, which is very, very seductive. In order to be able to really increase our energy frequency, which is essential, once again, to the law of attraction, our vibrational energy literally is the frequency we send out to the universe, and it comes right back to us like a magnet. It's documented through the law of magnetism. And what thought feels better? Think about it. That your ex loves you or that they don't? It's basically what we think is what we get. I, for one, instead of thinking that they love me, I take it a step further. They adore me. It's as simple as that. That makes me feel exhilarated. The more exhilarated I feel, the more my energy rises. The frequency rises, the better I feel. And all of a sudden, I start seeing things I want, whether it has to do with my ex or not, just start unfolding. The manifestations just start coming in. Things that, because we're continuously manifesting, whether we do it consciously or not. We are continuously asking the universe for things. So, we have to really be in tune with our emotions. Our emotions are basically our internal GPS. Rendezvous with your emotions often. Look inside. Don't sweat the small stuff. I mean, it's a book that says so much and so little. It really means just, focus on being the best that you can be happy, create positive energy so that you can attract positive energy. It's so important. You've got to create through whatever measures, meditation, visualization, scripting, contrast, anything that we need to create a manifestation. We need to enhance our opportunities to be able to do it. We live it. We attract it. We have to feel it. After all, you get to choose it. It's the law. The law of attraction literally, lets us know that like attracts like. And that also means, good attracts good, bad attracts bad. It's nature unfolding before us. We are all energy, and we magnetize each other based on the energy that we emanate. So it's really important to imagine through our thoughts that the most that we want from our ex, they love us. My case, I always say, adore us. They miss us. No, they're absolutely so amazing. They can't wait to see us. You've got to take it to that level. You're saying, well, Abby, what about free will? I mean, that's a question. It's a valid one. But what about if your exes, they don't want you? They really, there was someone else. That's fair. And it's true. You can't literally, force yourself upon someone else. But what the universe will do for you, okay? The universe knows exactly what you want. So what you do, and what I strongly recommend, yes, you focus on your ex or someone better. So if someone better comes along, you won't miss your ex anyways. You have nothing to lose. It's really not, it's the reason that we want our ex is because we were satisfied with our ex, because our ex made us happy. But if someone new comes around that has the same qualities and more of our ex, we no longer miss our ex and life goes on and it's okay. So it's not about, disrupting the whole free will situation because, yes, sometimes, people have their own destinies and it does. But just focus on the elements, on the components that you're looking for. Write a list. This is what I want in a man. This is what I want in a woman. This is it. This is what I want. You write it. You visualize it. You feel it. You name it. Name it with your exes or better. And if it's better, it's okay too. If it's your ex, that's wonderful. But we always have to think the law of attraction is the law. You will attract that which is in the same frequency of your energy. Keep your energy strong, keep it positive, keep it up. For those of us that are skeptics, and I'm sure that there are many out there, whether you believe it or not, you've manifested many times. You haven't called it manifested, but you have. Even just through telepathy. How many times you think of someone and all of a sudden that text comes in and you say, oh my gosh, I was just thinking about you. Yeah, the reason the text comes in is because you thought about them. You didn't obsess over them though. And you didn't doubt that they were going to be calling or texting or not texting. You just thought about them. You knew it, you just felt it. You sensed it. You felt it. That's it. You let it go. The universe brings it in. This happens so frequent and we just don't give it a name. We just say, oh, it's ESP or it's this and that. If you really do a little bit of examining of conscious, you'll see that manifestations come to us all the time. And we are continuously asking for things, continuously, whether it's through prayer, whether it's, once again, whatever our belief systems are. We are always asking for things. And as Abraham Hicks would say in her book, it's ask and it is given. With her, it's through the universe, through the law of attraction. Neville Goddard also, created so much material on this, supported by quantum physics. So I personally use the law of attraction quite a bit. I find that it's worked wonderful for me. I love its, its complete structure. And the most thing I love about it is that when I apply the principles in the mission of With My Ex Again, I see such parallel in it. So it allows me, when I speak with my clients, to maximize up to a certain extent a lot of their possibilities of reattracting their ex. As you can see, law of attraction is not something that we can, simplify in one video. It's not. It's very entailed. It's very rich. It's an amazing journey. And because of that, we've created a video product that you can have access to it by pressing the link below. I invite you to take a look at it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we enjoyed creating it. It's been a learning experience for us as well, to be able to dive into it as much as we have, and I hope it enriches your life as it's intended to do. Please do not hesitate to book a a coaching session with me. It would be my pleasure to help you maximize the power of your thoughts to really, really be able to get your ex back. It is so important to be able to focus on that which we need to focus on extend, not on what we don't have, but more on what we do have. It'll be fun. It'll be a great, great opportunity to really maximize your chances. Please leave your comments in the section below, and I will try to answer them in a timely fashion. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.